Hello friends, welcome back to my Zulu Heart. Nontle Duma here. Oh, I know I have been missing in action. Actually, I've been cooking up a storm, but the light goddess has been against me, so I have not been able to get good content. If I can't see it, you're not gonna watch it. So today I thought, I'll come back with vengeance and make a South African favorite vegetable, beetroot. Beetroot used to be on our dinner tables every Sunday. Beetroot will be cooked, grated, and pickled in hot vinegar and sugar. Beetroot would bleed its way through all the dishes that are served on your Sunday course, yeah? And it will turn everything red with a hint of vinegar on each and everything, even including the meat. That was my worst nightmare, when it wets my fried chicken. But today I'm making it my way. Sorry, mom. So my way is just chopped and served with beautiful vegan feta cheese. You can use the normal feta, but this one, it makes it creamier. It's just yummy, and some nuts. And also I'm serving it with a chakalaka. There are many versions as well of making chakalaka. Just like our beetroot, chakalaka has a way of just getting into any relish. Then you can choose if you're serving it with rice, with pap, with bread, or with magwinya, whichever one suits you, the strength of the chili, the type of chili you use, and the curries. So today we're also serving it with sweet potatoes. Yes, I do not boil my sweet potatoes. Try this version if you've been boiling yours, killing all the lovely sugar in it. Try and steam it. It takes a while, but you won't be missing the time when because sweet potato cooks so fast anyway. So as you're doing your chakalaka, let it steam on the side, and you just gonna thank me later for it. But you know what, as we continue cooking together, you'll discover your family favorite and you'll stick to it, and you can zhuzh it up whichever way. So now on to the recipe. So hi guys, this is how I start with the lunch. I've prepped most things that I need to be doing. So for the chakalaka, I'm heating up the oil in a pan. I'm using a pan today because I want you to see the process. I usually just use a pot because I don't cook that much for my children. We are not so many. So I just put like 2 tablespoons or 3, depending on the how on the strength of your curry. This one is medium. I mixed a medium and a hot curry for me. So this is how I cook it down. And it's turning the oil yellow. That means our curry is ready. Before it burns up, I just then put my chopped onions. Today I have red, so I'm using red. It could be white onion, or is it yellow onion it's called. In my onion, I put in a bit of garlic. And in here, I put a bit of ginger. It's sort of like a thumb size ginger. Fresh ginger, or the dried one if you don't have. I have used the dried one as well, it works, but you just need the ginger for that oomph on it. It gives a certain kick on your dish. In here I'm throwing some peppers. I only have green and yellow peppers today because I'm using red for a beetroot salad that I'm going to show you. And I have some chilies as well, bird's eye chili that I finely chopped. And I let that cook a little bit for like a minute or 2. And then whilst that's getting ready, the flavors are mingling. In this pot, I have chopped sweet potato. And the sweet potato, I rinsed it and I drained all the water out. But I don't use water to cook mine. So what I do, I'm going to just sprinkle some brown sugar. Maybe a tablespoon or 2. Because it's sweet enough. It depends on how sweet your sweet potato is. And because of one of my daughters not eating any animal products, I can't use my usual butter. So this is when I put some butter, but today I'm gonna just drizzle a bit of olive oil. And I'm just gonna cover this and let it simmer. So the steam from the washed sweet potatoes and the sugar, they're gonna caramelize with the oil and cook that for me instead of putting water, because I think it dilutes it a bit. And in here I'm gonna increase my stove a bit to put in my carrots. This is like 3 cups of grated carrots. And I put my carrot in stages. When my carrot is all coated, I then bring in more of the carrots, maybe not as much as that. In here I have aromat, cubes. I put about 3 of these. And I put in some black pepper. Thyme. And the bay leaf. You're gonna thank me for this. So today I don't want mine overcooked. So I'm just going to put in my beans. And then I reduce my stove. And that's our chakalaka done. In the meantime, this is caramelizing. So I'm just going to put in some cinnamon for the flavor. You can leave out the cinnamon. It's an acquired taste, but it tastes delish. You can see the sweet potato is cooking in its own juices, and the steam will just help it soften it without overcooking it, without you losing all the lovely flavors to water. So we'll continue cooking that on low. Once the sweet potato is cooking, I'm going to just dish my chakalaka out of the pot into my serving bowl. And I let this sit for a while for the flavors to infuse. And you can eat chakalaka hot or cold as you wish. It's nice either way. And if you feel that the chili is too hot, you can put in mayonnaise when it has cooled down. It will be perfect as well for the salad. So in the meantime, I'm going to do my beetroot salad. Here I have about 8 bulbs, but very tiny, like that, very tiny bulbs of beetroot. And I have a finely chopped red onion. I have some red peppers. I have feta cheese. I'm using a vegan version. You can use the normal feta cheese in there. In here I have mixed Mrs. Ball's chutney. I'm using the South African Mrs. Ball's chutney. You get it from Tesco. And vegan mayo. I did like 5 tablespoons of each, and 4 to 5 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, and that's just my dressing. And I'm dressing this salad and I'm mixing it in. It's gonna be delicious, seriously. Oh yes, auntie. So this is my something creamy. And I'm sprinkling in some pistachio nuts. You can crush them. I'm gonna just leave mine whole. And just mix it in and it's ready. Gorgeous. So at the moment I have my 2 salads ready, and I have my sweet potato that I'm going to mash, because I have put into the pot some cinnamon. And I want to just show you how this all looks. Look at it, the caramelization. Look, it's all cooked now. I'm just going to mash this up, roughly mash it, and that's our dinner. And then for the non-vegans, we have king prawns marinated in a smoked paprika and olive oil. I'll link in the description below the ingredients of that. And that's our dinner done. You could add rice if you wanted. I'm not going to add any more starch. This is enough for us. I'm just going to have a green salad with just lettuce, cucumber, and tomatoes. So thank you so much for watching this. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed making that. Now please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.